Okay, thanks for the time that given to us. My name is Nurchaya Sarmaha and my partner is Sudirman Telambanua. Today we will present our research plan that the title is about the use of Indonesian slang by teenager. Why we choose this topic? Because in this modern era, Indonesian teenager generally use Indonesian slang rather than use Indonesia standard language. Seeing this phenomena, we are interested to raising this topic as the title of our research plan, and we hope that in raising this topic, the result that we will get can broaden the insight of teenager to know the slang they are used in communicating.
There are three research questions of Indonesia slang. Number one, how is the process of forming Indonesia slang vocabularies? Number two, what are the Indonesia slang vocabulary that is usually used by teenagers for communication? Then, why teenagers use more slang to communicate? Literary use of Indonesia slang. According to Satoso, according to Santoso, 1881, language is a series of sound produced by set means of a conscious human beings. Then Wibowo said that language is a symbol that has a meaning for someone to communication for others. The effect sociolinguistic for society. According Stockwell, 2013, said that sociolinguistic is the relationship between the use of language in existing social contexts, with thus sociolinguistic relates with existing social aspect in society. And also, according Thiago, 2008, sociolinguistic is the relationship between existing language and variation of existing social factors, such as participant, setting, topic, function, social status, affecting formality, use of one's language. Slang, according Mulyana to 2008, is a number of words or terms that has special meaning, unique, divide, or even contract with the usual meaning when used by people from certain subculture. And according Suryono, 2004, slang is typical language of teenagers. Teenagers make slang or they use slang for communication, and then they understand what they are said for other people. Thank you.
Okay, let me continue. The method that we use in our research plan is qualitative. Why we choose this method? Because We want the result that we will get is form of descriptive data collection. Because we use the qualitative method, so data collection that we use is observation and interview. Why we choose that? Because we want to see the real how the teenager use slang in their communication, and we want to ask them some question based on research plan. The participants that will be object of research are 10 teenager aged 18 years old. The instrument that we'll use are first audio tape to record voice of participants when they interview, and audio tapes to record video of participants when they communicate each other, pen or pencil, books if necessary. Data analysis. There are some steps that we will do to analyze the data. First is read or memoing. After we do intervention and observation participants, we write and read all of information that we have get. Second is describing. After we write and read, we describe and develop all of information. Classifying. After we describe, we sort out the information that we get and put information that match of the research question. The procedures of classifying is first, we make a list of vocabulary that is often used by participants. Second is, after we make a list of vocabulary, to see the process of vocabulary slang formation, we use KBBI. To see the actual words, then compare the vocabulary of participants and see how the sounds and letter change. Third is, after that, we put together all the participants' reason why they use Indonesian slang rather than standard Indonesian language, then look at the reasons that are mostly expressed by participants and make conclusion. Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you.